Moving heavy furniture in Pasadena, Texas? It can feel stressful, but it doesn't have to be. Today we'll show how professional furniture movers make your relocation smooth, safe, and worry-free. Heavy furniture isn't just heavy, it's bulky and fragile. Professional movers have the right tools, techniques, and experience to protect your furniture and your home from damage. Movers in Pasadena handle everything: wrapping, disassembling, loading, transporting, and setting up your furniture. This ensures your items arrive safely and you avoid back strain or accidents. Preparation is key. Measure doorways, schedule your movers early, and know which items need special care. Pro movers provide upfront quotes so you can budget smartly without surprises. Label your boxes clearly, set aside fragile items, and communicate any special instructions. These steps help movers work efficiently and keep your furniture in perfect condition. Moving furniture in Pasadena doesn't have to be stressful. Hire trusted movers, plan ahead, and enjoy a smooth, safe move. Click the link in the description to book professional moving services today.